In the real world, where things are powered, heated, cooled, and made, nothing stands still. But most sustainability reporting doesn't keep up in real time. Everything may look great in your annual integrated report, but behind the numbers, assets wear down, risks escalate, and opportunities are missed. When operations are dynamic, but data is static, you're steering your sustainability journey with outdated information. Meet Syntiro. Built for the operational frontline and the boardroom, Syntiro connects granular, meter-level data directly to your sustainability reporting instantly. Track performance by asset and by site. Detect deviations and alert teams to act fast. Generate audit-grade carbon data that flows seamlessly into your integrated report at the touch of a button. And with Syntiro, environmental progress connects directly to financial performance. Less waste, greater efficiency, lower costs, strengthening your license to operate and your competitive edge. No heavy reliance on consultants, no scrambling to meet stakeholder demands, no reputational surprises that undermine shareholder trust. Just sustainability reporting that reflects reality, helping you monitor, improve, and prove your performance. This isn't just data or a platform. Syntiro is powered by people, a team of 400 metering specialists, engineers, sustainability experts, and data scientists working on the ground across South Africa every day. Experts who understand your world and have helped South African companies gain global recognition for sustainability. Syntiro transforms sustainability from a report card into a roadmap to real progress. Syntiro, intuitive sustainability.